We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing car brand names too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? Well, the main question is, do you pronounce it Tesla with an S sound or Tesla with a Z or a Z sound? You may have heard Elon Musk himself, the CEO of Tesla, say it as Tesla, but it is more because he is from South Africa, and it is more because of his accent that he says it as Tesla, but he confirmed himself that actually both pronunciations as Tesla or Tesla are correct. So here you have your answer. It's up to you. Tesla or Tesla are both fine. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting car brand names that many absolutely mispronounce, or I'm tempted to say butcher. You will know how to pronounce them correctly. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.